figure it out. You have to like long press apparently. It's 11:59 to be exact. Got it!
Like I'm scrolling, there's still some
other
photos.
weird people. Oh, is that recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna mute it, don't worry.
$1 billion a year to private.
Good morning from incredibly sleepy Aadhya. So it's been raining here for the last couple of days and I haven't stepped out of the house ever since Sunday. It's also becoming really cold. So it's apparently supposed to be fall over here, but fall does not mean that the leaves change color or like it's not like the American fall. Over here, at least in Brisbane, the fall is pretty average. Like temperature decreases. It's not supposed to rain technically, but it's been raining continuously. It's 5 days and it isn't like that bad like how it used to be in Chennai when it rains. Like you can't really see anything. It isn't like that, but it's just constantly raining. So today I'll be having to step out because I have a class from 11 to 1. I need to do some pre-reading for that. I have been so lethargic and it's like I'm already on mid-semester break, even though my mid-semester break starts only next week. So I'm just like chilling already, which I shouldn't be doing, but I'll come and I'll get back because I have like the rest of the week, I guess, because like from Good Friday, which is this Friday, I have like off until like the next weekend, which technically means that I have holidays from like after today's 1 o'clock class. But yeah, I think I'll catch up on that. Today's exciting thing is every Wednesday we have this cook-off, a Wednesday night dinner where one of us cooks for the rest of the roommates, and we had Korean night last week, which I made a reel for and I'll be posting it real soon. So today is the Indian night. I have decided on paruppu, potato fry and some South Indian chicken fry. They have all had a lot of North Indian dishes, which is basically butter chicken. They all love butter chicken, so I didn't want to do the same thing. Otherwise I would have definitely, because I feel like a lot of non-Indian people usually love butter chicken, so that was my first thing. But since everyone has already had it, I was like, okay, we need to switch it up and make something that they've not already had. So that's why I have chosen to do dal and South Indian style chicken fry. So for that, after class I need to go get some ingredients. My refrigerator is done. I have completed my stock, so I need to go and buy stuff. And now I have to do the pre-readings. I'm so sleepy. This weather, I'm telling you, is making me so unproductive, even though I want to be productive, because this is like my break time and I want to utilize it to the maximum. I also want to take rest, but I've already taken enough rest. I just want to be productive, but this weather is... So, okay, there's a box over here. But the fit for the day becoming really cold, like I said, and I'm sure that I will freeze if I step out without wearing clothes like this. But the best part is I've been like waiting to wear like winter clothes, styling winter clothes for a really long time, so I'm happy that I can finally do it over here. I mean, I was not ready for the winter transition like this quickly. Why am I just standing like this? I need to keep adjusting my tripod height and I don't like it. Yeah, I was not ready for this transition this quickly because it was literally just, you know, like 1 month-ish of summer for me, and I'm not used to that, but I'm not complaining. I love this weather. So we are just going to get ready quickly and head to class. I kind of didn't like the lip color that I previously wore and the earrings, so I removed the earrings and I changed my lip color to this darker brown. Yeah, that's about it. I'm ready and I'm gonna head out for class now. We can keep that in my bag actually. Yeah. I marinated, I soaked everything. I just came to lie down because my back was hurting and the fire alarm went off. Oh my god, the fire alarm here is so sensitive and it just goes off whenever I'm trying to do something important or like just trying to rest. Oh my god, I just can't. I'm just having very bad cramps and I just want to rest. Oh my god, I can't.
What's that?
That's the dal. I actually switched off the temperature thing. And நான் யோசிக்கிறேன் 7 நிமிஷம் ஆயிடுச்சு and like the cookies in the same shape, and that's when I realized that I had switched off the temperature thing instead of already ஒழுங்கா இருந்ததை அப்படியே வச்சிருந்திருக்கணும். Switch off பண்ணிட்டேன். So switch off பண்ணதுனால I have to wait another 10 minutes, but I'm just going to go ahead and make my coffee.